Okay, today I am going to introduce new topics, lines and angles of geometry. We have already done many problems of triangles, including NCRT problems. We will do more problems also when you again study about chapters triangles. Today we will discuss about lines. You are looking every day the shape of lines, but how will define it in a geometry? That is a point. You are aware of lines. Now we are going to define line in a geometry. It is defined as when we join two distinct points, then we get a line. What do you mean by distinct? D-I-S-T-I-N-C-T. Distinct means different. Not two things are same. So if you take two different points in a plane and join together, we get a line. Now, what should be properties of this line? First, a line has no endpoints. Second, it can be extended infinitely on both sides. So these are the properties of line. After that, to make it on your copy, take 2 points A and B, which are far away from each other. Now join the points from A to B. It gives a line AB. But to extend on both sides and put arrow on both ends. That is a clear figure of line AB, because line AB has no end points. Arrow denotes they can be extended further infinitely on both sides. Okay? So when it is asked, what do you mean by line? What do you understand by line? What is line? Then we first write the definitions, then give properties. You can write these properties together with definition also, but it should be better to write properties separately. And after that, you show it on your answer sheet by making a line. Okay, so that is a complete definition of line. Second terms, line segment. Now it is also clear that is also a line, but here is two terms, line and segment. Segment means piece, part. Line you know. So line segment is a part of line which has two end points. Okay? Because a line can be broken up in many parts. So whatever we get the parts of these lines, each part is called a line segment, because this line segment has been taken from the line. Okay? And this line segment has two endpoints. Means it has particular measurement. Suppose I am telling length of AB is 8 centimeter. Means AB is a line segment of 8 centimeter. Line segment has a particular measurement. Understood? Okay. Now let us revise the basic terms and definition related to lines and angles, because we are taking the topics line and angles. So first we study about the basic ideas, definition, properties about line and angles. We have defined line and line segments. Now next term is ray, R-A-Y, ray. It generally comes in physics. It is a geometrical part of line also. Means ray is also a line. So ray is also a part of line which has only one end point and has no end on the other sides. Means a line is said to be ray when it has only one end point. Suppose I am taking O and take another letter A in a plane and join from O to A and extend A, putting arrow on that line, then O is said to be a ray, because this line has only one end point O, another point A which has arrow on that line. Means from A you can extend further. Means here it has no end points, so O is called the ray. Line segment, ray, all these terms are a line but are known by particular name with particular properties. Understood? Now I am taking point. Another term, point. You are looking the symbol of point. It is represented by dot. Then how do you define point in geometry? What is point? Now it is defined as a point is that which has no component. Means it has no components. It is dimensionless. It has no length, no breadth, no height. So point is a dimensionless, and it is denoted by putting dot. So these are the terms which we have defined in a particular way. Okay, so any types of questions which are asked about point, line and line segment, you can write it properly. First you define it, then write its properties, then make the diagram clearly according to the definitions and putting alphabetical letters on these lines by knowing particular name. Okay? Now you have to study more about angles. Means first we define angles, then type of angles, and we will study each type of angles separately with definitions, properties and applications in maths as well as science also, and it is also applied in day-to-day life. Okay? Okay.